I think I made it. I think I made it because I'm always smiling and you're the reason now.
Did I scare you? What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Sneakerhead on the button, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. And today we have a special treat. Now that Halloween is kind of out the books, it's time for holiday season. I'm talking about grub, food, eating, gaining all that weight back that you thought you worked out for the whole year. It's coming back because it's holiday season, y'all. It is holiday season, y'all, and we about to get into this restoration. Now, the restoration we're doing is very synonymous with the holidays. Now, I'm not talking about Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas that you're going to hear 15 million times this year, and the next year, and the next year, and the next year. Get your residuals, girl. We're going to talk about Charlie Brown. Classic. You got a Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, you got a Charlie Brown Christmas, but we're focusing on some Charlie Brown Vans that we recently found in the thrift, and we're going to restore these back to glory. It's a little faded on the suede. The yellowing needs some fix up. We'll see if we can even fix that. Gotta clean the bottoms up. Gonna clean this white part, the midsole. Let's do it. Well, that didn't end up like I thought it would be.
Yeah. What's up? Yeah, I'm saying, hey, this your beat, I'm sorry, but our eyes were so starry. I just had to get some, one up it, hit the bricks, drop the coins, pick up the shit like a pooper scooper.